Yo, what is good, YouTube? I am Richie Kim. It is early morning right now, and we are going to be giving the car its very first wash. I've had the car for a little over a week now, and it has been raining in SoCal for the past few days. So, the car's absolutely dirty, and it definitely needs a wash. So, my guy is coming. He's going to wash the car, and we'll see what it looks like before and after. And, I'll show you the process of the wash because this guy is very good. He's very detail oriented. And, yeah, the car will look really, really clean after it's finally done. But real quick, I'm going to do a cold start. Let's see what it sounds like. So, the sound is okay. Definitely needs to be a little louder, I would say. The exhaust is on the way, though. I have already ordered the aftermarket exhaust. It's not gonna be, I'm not getting like downpipes or anything like that. I'm just getting the full-length cap back because I don't want to not be able to pass, the sniff test and whatnot. Also, I think with catless downpipes, the car would just be a little too loud for me, and I don't want it to be obnoxiously loud because, I do have neighbors. But yeah, anyways, let's go get this thing washed. All right, the car is done. It is looking good. It is super nice and clean. I mean, there are some like wet spots I got to clean up real quick because, there's just like water hidden, but I'm gonna wipe those up. You can really see that gold coming out in the sunlight. I love this color. Driver Gray is an absolutely fire color. But yeah, I mean, look, everything is just like glistening basically. Even the wheels, super nice and shiny. This is amazing. Shout out to Unparalleled Detailing. Billy over there, he always does a great job. If you guys are in the SoCal area, he does mobile detailing. So if you ever want, your car touched up, any work done, any washes done, he's got you. Just let him know that I sent you. Man, that carbon fiber looks so nice in the sun while it's nice and clean. Yeah, I mean, the car looks great. Once again, shout out to Unparalleled Detailing. Did a great job. Super clean. I love it. Catch you on the next one.